Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to backup iPhone to iCloud. So first go to settings and tap on Wi-Fi and connect a reliable network. Then after connecting to a network, go to settings and tap on your name on the top screen on your Apple ID. Now select iCloud to manage your iCloud settings and check your iCloud storage to make sure you have enough space within the iCloud menu. You'll see how much storage you're using. If you are low on space, you can manage your storage or consider upgrading your plan. Now ensure that iCloud backup is turned on. Go to iCloud backup, and if iCloud backup is not turned on, turn it on. Turn on this option. It will show turning on your backup, and this will ask backup over mobile data. You can turn on this feature also. By turning on this feature, now your iPhone will automatically backup your data when it's plugged in or locked and connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also start a manual backup by tapping backup now. You can see this option, backup now. Now wait for backup to complete after turning it on. This may take a few minutes or few hours depending on the amount of data and your internet speed. Now verify that your backup was successful. Check the last backup, and after doing it, simply that's how you will turn on backup for your iPhone.